Building a table is relatively straightforward, but if you're looking to step up your skills, consider this design, with its circular shape, large diameter, mortise and tenon joinery, and a stain job that makes plain old pine sing. I'm Jeremy, and this is Gadgets and Grain. For materials, I'm using these 2x12 pine boards. I've sourced them from my local lumber yard, and they've gone ahead and planed both sides of them for me, so they're a lot smoother. So the next step is laying all these boards out and finding which surfaces are perfect for the tabletop, for my legs, and that means avoiding things like knots, little dings, stuff like that. I know for many of us, some projects feel more special than others, and this table is one of them. Even though this is my third table I've built, it's probably the most meaningful because I really pushed my woodworking skills further and produced something that my family will gather around for years to come. And I hope this project inspires you to do the same in some small way. So if you're feeling inspired, head over to the link below to see detailed instructions, photographs, and links to the equipment and tools used in this project. And remember, anyone can make something
extraordinary.
And just, if you're gonna look right at the center of the camera, okay? Don't look at the screen. Yeah. Anyone can make something extraordinary.
You know what?
What?
Everyone should say it.
And remember, anyone can make something
Extraordinary.
Anyone can make something
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary.
Anyone can make something
Extraordinary.
Anyone can make something
Extraordinary.
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 One more time. And remember, anyone can make something
Extraordinary.
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 Alright, we'll try with what we had.
That one was pretty
The first one. Alright, thanks guys.